effect yan. So synthetic like yung cloth and those kind, medyo may pag-asa pa. Now, snake plant, since it's a long thin leafy plant, it brings active energy. Maganda, tuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng swerte. So maganda lagay yan near the entrance. So let's say outside your main door, or let's say you have a reception area, so maganda yun. Lagay mo in front of your store, that's also good. Huwag ka maglalagay ng fat bond leafy plant kasi babagal yung pasok ng swerte. Outside, pero let's say, you have ganito, marami tayong waiting room natin, marami ng tao. Always, doon ka maglagay ng fat bond leafy plant para hindi sila naiinip. Kasi pag naglagay ka ng yung snake plant sa loob na past the main door, hindi siya maganda. Kasi maiinip yung tao kasi ang bagal ng service mo eh. Dumadami ng customers mo, hindi ka maka-keep up. So you have to put a mix na. What was the other question? What was the emphasis?
At home and in the office.
In the office. So, yung nasagot natin, it applies hindi lang sa home, but also in office. Now, what if my office is yung cubicle? Yun lang ang what I can touch on. Pwede mo ilagay yan behind you. Yun nga lang, sabi ko, ang zone of malice is from floor to the waist height. So, what we put that on, mas maganda siya higher than waist height. Or at least yung plant niya, most of the plant, yung leaf ng plant, kasi snake plant, reaches past the waist height. Para yung swerte yung pumapasok din sa atin, that goes to our cubicle, maganda. That would give us the proper returns that we want para meet natin yung targets natin. So that would be my advice for that.
And we have more questions from our audience members. This one, sir, we have another question. To look forward in 2025 for the Year of the Ox, ano po ba yung mga ilo-look forward ng Year of the Ox for health, work, love, and money?
The Year of the Ox, unfortunately, has the lowest score this year. However, best friend niya si Rat. Si Rat din number 1, but weird, diba? Tapos si Ox ang lowest.